Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H1 Smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to have a demo of the Bluetooth call functionality of this smartwatch. Yes, it has a Bluetooth call, looking like a smart band, but it has a features for Bluetooth phone call. As you can see, we have a dial pad here, we have contacts we're going to add later on, and we have a call history. It has a built-in speaker and microphone despite the very small size of the H1 smartwatch. So if you are interested to see how the Bluetooth phone call works with this wearable, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call of the H1 smartwatch. We are already paired with the Alexa Support app, and now let's add the phone number in our smartwatch. Let's add the contacts. Okay, you can go here on the phone book. So we have call reminder, we already activated this. Go to the phone book, add a number, import, select the phone numbers, tap on OK, and tap on synchronize. Your smartwatch will automatically switch to synchronization mode, as you can see here. Okay, synchronized successfully. Let's see. We have the dials here and we have the contacts. So everything is set for our wearable. Next, let's have a demo of the call. So we have here our other smartphone. Let's go to our dial pad or phone book. Let's try to call Cindy here. And if everything is okay, we'll be able to receive a call here. And as you can see, we do have an incoming call. Okay, you don't have, seems like you don't have an option here. Again, let's try to call again. Miss call, dismiss. Okay, we don't have an option here to answer. Let's try to set. Let's try to double check our settings here. Alright, so we are now connected. Our Bluetooth connectivity for the Bluetooth call is already set. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. So we have here the connection, as you can see, in use. So everything is set here. Then now, let's try to have a demo. Okay, let's start. Previously, we only received a notification or missed call notification. This time, hopefully we'll be able to have an answer. Yes, we do have an answer functionality here in the smartwatch. Okay, and call. Later on, we'll have a demo. We'll answer the call directly here in the smartwatch. Okay, so it works. Next, let's go back to the Bluetooth call support. We have the contacts. So let's try to call back. Okay, we are calling Sam. If everything is okay, we will be able to receive a call here. And as you can see, someone is calling. Okay, and call. So it works for the phone book. We have the call history here. And next, let's have the dial pad. Again, the phone book works. The dial pad also works, or the contacts works, and the call history works. Let's see with the dial pad. Dial pad 0969 096961. It's hard to type because of the small number. 615 8 3 9 and 9. 0969615839 and 9. Let's try to call. If everything's okay, we'll be able to receive a call here. As you can see, we have the number. Someone is calling. Okay, let's check on the call history. We have it here again. Calling. Okay, it is busy. Again, let's have another one. Okay, phone connected. It's now calling. And we have it here. Okay, so and call. Okay, so it works for the phone book. It works for the call history. You can call directly here, or you can tap on the numbers to call back. And we have also the dial pad. It works. Next, let's answer the call directly here on the smartwatch. I'm going to call Cindy, and hopefully we'll be able to answer here on the smartwatch. Okay, so let's try to answer. Hello. The Bluetooth phone call works here in the smartwatch. Bye. End call. Okay, let's see the call history. Seems like the speaker is okay. And we have here a different icon here. Okay, so the phone book works. The speaker is okay, as well as the mic, despite that the smartwatch do have a very small body frame. It's compact, yet it is loaded with features such as health, sports, and calls. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.